In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Ubersuggest is and how you can access it for free. If you're not already familiar with it, Ubersuggest is a powerful SEO tool designed by marketing expert Neil Patel. It's a fantastic resource for discovering keyword ideas, analyzing the competition, and improving your website's performance in search engines, all of which can help enhance your digital marketing strategy. Now, let's dive into how you can get started with this tool at no cost. First, you'll want to visit Ubersuggest.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options, but to begin utilizing all the features, you need to sign up. Look for the option that says Start a 7-day trial. Clicking on this will lead you to a screen where you're prompted to create an account. The next step is to click on Create Free Account. While this is where many might hesitate, worrying about potential hidden fees or long-term commitments, rest assured, this route provides an opportunity to fully explore Ubersuggest's capabilities for an entire week without any initial charges. After clicking on this option, you'll encounter a simple form where you'll need to enter your email address and a secure password. Ensure your password is unique and strong to keep your account safe. After filling in your details, the next logical step is simple. Click on the Register button. Once you've completed registration, you'll gain access. But wait, don't log out just yet. There's a prompt to click Get Started, which will officially usher you into the world of Ubersuggest. Now that you're in, you actually have the freedom to explore and utilize the platform. The next move is to activate your 7-day free trial, which can be initiated with a simple click. This trial period allows you to seamlessly experiment with various features. You can generate keyword ideas, check the traffic of your competitors, and even get insights into the best SEO tactics to implement. It's important to make the most out of these 7 days by exploring features that can significantly impact your marketing efforts. A tip here, take advantage of the reports and analyses during this trial period to see how your content is performing and identify areas that need improvement. And there you have it. Getting Ubersuggest for free is not only straightforward, but also incredibly beneficial for understanding and enhancing your SEO strategies. Whether you're a digital marketing novice or a seasoned professional, the insights gained from just a week of using Ubersuggest can be transformative. So go ahead, start that 7-day free trial, and unlock the full potential of your SEO strategies with Ubersuggest's valuable data-driven insights.